The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 23, Entrustment. It stands no comparison, even if one were to offer one's kingdom or wife and children. O son of a virtuous family, this is the supreme offering. This is the highest and best of all offerings, because you offer the Dharma to the Tathagatas. Having spoken these words, all became silent. His body was alight for 1,200 years. After this period passed, his body burned out. Because he had paid tribute to the Dharma like this, Bodhisattva Sarvarupa Samdarshana was reborn after his death in the land of the Buddha Chandra Surya Vimala Prabhasasri. He was born spontaneously, sitting cross-legged in the house of King Vimaladatta. Then he immediately spoke these verses for the sake of his father, saying, O great king, you should now know that I, in an instant, attained the samadhi called Sarvarupa Samdarshana. In the place where I wandered, and practicing with enthusiasm and perseverance, I set aside this, my beloved body. I have paid homage to the Bhagavat in order to attain the utmost wisdom. After having spoken these verses, he addressed his father, saying, The Buddha Chandra Surya Vimala Prabhasasri is now in this world. Having previously paid homage to the Buddha, I attained the dharani of understanding the speech of all sentient beings, and heard 800,000 of myriads of kotis of nayutas of verses, and tens of billions of verses, hundreds of billions of verses, and thousands of billions of verses of the Lotus Sutra. O great king, I will now once again pay homage to this Buddha. Having spoken this, he sat on the 7-jeweled platform, and ascended into the air as high as 7 tala trees. Having come before the Buddha, he bowed until his forehead touched the Buddha's feet. He praised the Buddha in verse with his 10 fingers pressed together, saying, Your countenance is rare and wonderful. Your brilliance illuminates the 10 directions. Once, long ago, I paid you homage. I now come to behold you again. Thereupon, Bodhisattva Sarvarupa Samdarshana, having spoken this verse, addressed the Buddha, saying, O Bhagavat, the Bhagavat is yet in this world. Then the Buddha Chandra Surya Vimala Prabhasasri said to Bodhisattva Sarvarupa Samdarshana, O son of a virtuous family, the time of my parinirvana has come. The time of extinction has come. I ask you now to prepare my bed. I will enter parinirvana tonight.